When she can't sleep, we don't always know what's wrong. But with the Breeze app, I can instantly check the air she breathes. Protect your indoor air quality with Breeze. Using multiple sensors, Breeze detects a variety of airborne health hazards that can lead to childhood atopic diseases such as eczema, asthma, and allergies. Breeze detects the silent killer formaldehyde, a leading cause of sick house syndrome, as well as deadly carbon monoxide. It measures airborne particulate matter such as fine dust, mold, and allergens. Breeze also shows temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels to help ensure your home's comfort. And with the Breeze app, you can have all the air quality information you need to protect your home at your fingertips. Breeze, so we can all breathe easy.